What's up guys, Joe here. Today is a Plymouth Scamp in for a detail. It's kind of wet right now, so let's bring it inside the shop, O&R rinse it, and let's see what she actually looks like. I'll be using the O&R rinseless wash with the 5 towels 2 bucket method. Now it's starting to dry. You can definitely tell it looks pretty hazy. There's also a pretty big dent right here on the quarter panel. I definitely think we can shine this thing up and give it a little bit of class. I'm not really sure what that is. It looks like tree sap. Now, I'm going to be using the rotary here. I found that on the older cars, the rotary power is just the way to go. You can get the same results if you use a DA, it just takes so much longer. Now after I'm done with the rotary buff, I'm going to follow with a DA polish. I'll be using the Griot's G9 orbital polisher along with their red finishing pad. This is going to add some gloss before we actually put the wax over top to protect it. Well, I think it definitely came out a lot better than I expected. Definitely got some nice gloss to it now. Now, I don't believe this is the original paint, but it definitely cleaned up pretty nice. I still need to apply some tire shine and polish a few more areas where you can still see some holograms, but for the most part, I think she looks pretty good. That ought to wrap it up for this one. I got a few more of these kind of quick detailing videos about to come out, so stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one.